Hundreds beautifully adorned in traditional attires thronged to the palace of the traditional ruler of Karu community in Nasarawa State, Nigeria, to witness the coronation ceremony of the first Asian American African queen, Mary Antoinette John Perry Intelligent, who is also the president, Valley of Love Ministries, United States of America, and the husband, Raymond Intelligent. His Royal Highness the Esu-Karu Dr. Luka Payambaba welcomed guests, government functionaries, Karu traditional council members, and indigenes of the community to the ceremony, noting that Karu is known for hard work, integrity, honesty, and passionate about the defense of humanity. Queen Mary Antoinette John Perry was given the title Bmazazhi Karu, which means helper of the people, while Raymond Intelligent was named Kpata Karu, meaning the defender of the people. Exotic cultural displays from different ethnicities in Nigeria took center stage outside the palace of the AC to the delight of all. You are too close to them, you are too close to them. Filled with joy and gladness, the recipients appreciated all who made the day possible, especially the founder, Righteous Generation Church, Abuja, Dr. John Oket, amongst others.
I am Haitian descent. I was born in Haiti, carry a U.S. passport. I'm a U.S. citizen, and my roots is here in Nigeria. I'm so happy to be here. I want to thank my royal father, King Luka, for this beautiful day. Also, I want to thank his wife.
She's an humanitarian. She's using this to foster good works, giving shelter to the homeless, advancing the work of God because she's a minister of the gospel. My prayers for her, I wish her well, and I know that she will more or less do much more for humanity than she has ever done with this very assignment given to her by God and by man.
Queen Mary also called on the international community and humanitarians to support people affected by the earthquake in Haiti and other countries affected by crisis. Raymond and Queen Antoinette Intelligent are humanitarians who have dedicated their lives to housing the homeless, feeding the hungry, dressing the naked, and bringing succor to the less privileged. Congratulations to the Intelligents.